So 2015, paper 1, question 5, part A. Solve the equation. So it's a third equation, so square both sides. So x all to be squared is equal to the square root of x plus 6 all to be squared. So it's x squared is equal to x plus 6. So x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 0, and factorize it. So that's x, and you're going with minus 3 and plus 2 equal to 0. So x equals 3 and x equals minus 2. Now just to check your solutions, because it is a third, so you have 3 is equal to the square root of 3 plus 6, so 3 is equal to the square root of 9, so 3 is equal to 3. And the other solution is minus 2 is equal to the square root of minus 2 plus 6. So minus 2 is equal to the square root of 4, and it's not equal to, so our answer is x equal to 3. Now the second part of the question asks you to differentiate. So y is equal to x minus the square root of x plus 6. So straight away get rid of the square root and put it into indice form. So x minus x plus 6 to the power of a half. So dy dx. When we differentiate x, we get 1. When we differentiate our indice part, we have to use the chain rule. So it's going to be minus a half by x plus 6 to the power of a half minus 1, which is minus a half, by differentiate what's inside the bracket. So differentiate x, you get 1, differentiate 6, you get nothing. So dy dx is equal to 1 minus 1 all over 2 the square root of x plus 6. And part C of the question continues on, and it asks you to find the turning points. So the first part of the turning points is to differentiate, so we have that already done, and then we solve. So dy dx we have as 1 minus 1 over 2 the square root of x plus 6. Then we let dy dx equal to 0, so 1 minus 1 over 2 root x plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so 1 equals 1 over 2 root x plus 6. And square both sides to get rid of the square root. So 1 squared is equal to 1 all over 2 all to be squared by root x plus 6 all to be squared, and the 1 on top to be squared. So 1 is equal to 1 all over 4 by x plus 6. So that's going to give us 1 is equal to 1 all over 4x plus 24. Multiply across by the 4x plus 24 is equal to 1. And so we have 4x is equal to minus 23. So x is equal to minus 23 all over 4. Now to find the corresponding y value, go back to your original equation, which is y is equal to x minus the square root of x plus 6. And everywhere you see x, put in your minus 23 over 4 by the square root of minus 23 all over 4 plus 6. So you're left with minus 23 over 4 minus, that works out as the square root of 1/4. And y is equal to minus 23 all over 4 minus square root of 1/4 is a half. So y is equal to 25 all over, minus 25 over 4. So our turning point is minus 23 over 4 minus 25 over 4.